Okay, a quick breakdown of the bill. I'll call this my FMS Pre Runner 18. Started life as a FMS FSC 24 short course truck with the little stubby body. I wasn't crazy about the body, so I knew from the beginning what I wanted to do with it when I bought it. So let me see. All right, start with the shocks. Next racing, aluminum shocks, oil filled. Light bar, threw it on there, changes colors. I made up some magnet mounts. The body, as you saw, comes off on rollovers, but that's okay. I can live with that. Radio link receiver. I use a Radio Master M12 radio. Stock servos. The shifting servo is fine, but I do need to upgrade the steering servo. It doesn't have good holding power when I'm punching it going straight. It's good turning, but I want something to hold on wheel straight when I try to go forward or gun it going straight. Okay, the motor, Furitek Unity Pro 3500 kV motor. I ran it on 2S, it can do 3S. I think I'm gonna wait till I get that better steering servo before I put it on 3S. Because it was kind of hard to keep it straight on 2S, so I'm gonna wait. Rear sway bar, I made them up. Makes it a lot more stable. That and a longer wheelbase makes it stabler, more stable than stock. And inside here is a lock diff. I have plenty FMS vehicles, and I have diffs that I bought spares or whatever. So I took out a spare one, brand new, put some JB Weld in it, locked it, let it sit for a few days, let it cure, then I put it back inside here. So my rear is locked, but the front is still open. It's probably why I got that good turning radius that you saw in the video. But I wanted the rear to be locked up. Eventually I'll put this on the street as well as the dirt. My preference, I want it locked. I know there's gonna be a lot of different opinions on that, but I think that's it. I may get this. They only have aluminum front suspension as an upgrade for this vehicle. I may do that. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I might not do that. Oh, the rear, I put on RC all-wheel drive extended links for the FCX 24. And the drive shaft. It comes with a dog bone. Like this stock is much shorter. Probably up to here somewhere, the rear wheel. I might be exaggerating, probably around here somewhere. I wanted it longer because I didn't want a short course. I wanted more of a pre-runner trophy truck look or build. Play around in the dirt. I may try to jump it later. I don't know. I know the mag's not going to hold up if I jump it. I'm not going to go 30 to 20 feet in the air. I'm not doing all that silly stuff, but just to play around with it. But that's the build. Everything held up. It works great. I kept it more so in second gear than first gear, but still a 2-speed transmission if I ever want to slow down, do some trailing with it. I think that's about it. I painted the body. I think I said that already. Then we got racing parts body. All paint, no stickers. I ain't want no stickers on there. I think that's it. Peace.